Good morning, Virgo. Welcome to today's reading. This reading is for December, and let's see what energy you stand in today. Wow. Okay. So, Virgo, your present energy, what I see is very good. It shows that you are thriving in terms of wealth, and you also embody with a lot of ideas. So some of you must be thinking of starting up your own business or something of your own, basically, or something more into creativity. So some of you might be also thinking of changing jobs, or if you are a student, then you are trying to get into job, but this is not a very conventional approach. This is something which it comes from your own desire. So let's say you were working as an analyst, and now you think that you can do better if you are a painter. So some of you must be thinking that, oh, I should be trying this out. So like that way. And also, like, for students, you probably have studied something, and now you're getting a lot of ideas that, okay, now the startup things are going so well, so I should be doing some startup. Then you must be also thinking, okay, I have this idea, I have that idea, I should be doing this, that. So basically, it's crazy with a lot of energetic uh, ideas, full of ideas, right? And generally what happens, page of swords, you do have idea, but the implementation is not there. The implementation is not there, maybe because you just think, but you are not ready to give up, because to become to implement anything, you should be responsible. So the sense of responsibility was missing, probably. But right now, in this time, this phase, somewhere I see that the responsibility, sense of responsibility might not have really increased a lot. But if you were thinking of starting something and money was a hindrance, right now that is not. Right now you have money, you have the desired amount of capital what is required to start a business or start a job, or to go for a education, whichever education you are thinking. Okay, you wanted to learn something, you wanted to pursue something, so that those are the things I'm talking about. So that part is there. So right now, uh, sense of responsibility is less, but you are resourceful, and you're full of ideas, and full of enthu and energy, right? Okay, guys, money is definitely there. You are definitely going to get one opportunity, and this is mainly for your career related action. Mainly for your career. It could be business, job, doesn't matter, but it is career related. And there is one opportunity, you are thinking about it. You were thinking about it for a very long time, and the opportunity has presented itself in front of you right now. Your stability is there, and money is also there. So probably this is also something to do with your ancestral property, something to do with your bonuses, something to do with wealth coming from, let's say, you had a saving, and you are getting that, the maturity is now, or mostly you are getting some ancestral property. That could be one of the chances. Bonuses, yes, it is there. So uh, yeah, I mean, financially sorted, ideas you have, uh, encouragement you have, motivation you have, energy you have everything. So what is the wait, Virgo? This is the time. If you were thinking for something for a very long time, to start now. Just start now, and yeah, it's just gonna happen. It's just gonna happen. The time is super good and super right, and the opportunity is also there. You just have to tap into it. You just have to recognize the opportunity and tap into it, right? So I think this about the start, you've been thinking about it for a very long time, and this thought has kind of had made a positive and negative impact in your mind. Positive, it's a it's a enthu, like, if you want to, so it gives a kick. Oh yeah, I have a plan, I want to do it. Negative, because what happens is you are just thinking and not taking any action, and hence it is making you depressive, and it is putting you in a negative loop that I just think but I never do it. Oh my god, just see, I was thinking about it and that person has done it and I'm not able to do it and I'm still in the same zone. So that sort of uh, uh, thoughts are coming in your mind. So what do you do to clarify this card? Okay, so what is happening? What I see is somewhere, I feel this idea to do something was always there. You were probably born with the quality of doing something of your own. There are people who are born with that quality. There are people who just want to follow, so they are happy in the job. They will work and they'll get paid and they're happy. But you are somebody who is not happy with what is given. You want to create. You are a creator. You want to create, and that gives you a sense of identification, a sense of satisfaction that yes, I have done that. Money is inevitable. Money will anyway come. So money is not important. Though, of course, it will come with it, but doing something of your own is important for you. And what you were doing was you were stuck in something, let's say work or some other situation, and you were not doing basically what you are supposed to do, and that was giving you dissatisfaction. Because okay, I can do this, I can start a business, but you are stuck at work, but you are stuck at something, and that is giving you dissatisfaction. It's something really not giving you that sense of peace, and you are not able to keep your calm. But right now is the time when, from this state of not being happy and sad and not able to uh, accept that you are working and that's it, because you never accepted that you will be working forever. You know that as in you will be working in a job forever. You know that you will be working for yourself, and that time has come. Now this is the time where you are sailing away from that wavy, which means this situation where you felt you are stuck. It could be anything. I'm not saying this is just job, it could be your education also. But you are stuck because you don't like it, but you have to study because you have to pass, and then you can start something of your own, and that could be completely different. Like, you maybe studied engineering, but what you want to do is, let's say you want to work for an event company, event management, so something. So now okay, I'm done. Now I can do whatever I want. So that time has come. Let's say you are working in a job, and then you think, oh, I am ready to quit. I have built my back, as in backup. I'm ready to quit, and now I'm going to start something of my own. So that time has come, Virgo. Oh my God, this is beautiful. So end of this year, I'm pretty sure you have put in a lot of effort this year or in the past, and 2025 December is going to give you, the year is going to close with a positive note, with a satisfaction, like deep innate satisfaction. it is going to give you that one opportunity which will open the door for you for your future avenues. So beautiful month, and I would say a good ending with a good start. So any ending has a beginning, right? This is what it is. So good ending with a good start. Phew. Okay, cards are just flying. So, okay. So right now what I can see is you have made your backup, because for any business you need to have some backup to start. So you have made your backup and you are ready mentally and you want to act on it. The opportunity is also there, and I see you taking that step, you working for yourself, going in that direction, your desired reality direction, right? So the guidance, not guidance, uh, so basically what it is telling you, like how your desired reality is gonna be is, initially you might not get the kind of money you were thinking, right? So let's say you were thinking, okay, I am going to do this, that, and boom, and then this much money. So that's not gonna happen. Probably you will earn money, but you will have to be patient and wait. Phew. Okay. Lot of opportunities, guys. Lot of opportunities. I see travel. I see. Okay. I just hope my cards doesn't fly because it's quite airy here. Huh. Okay. Got it. So, Virgo, what I can see from your reading right now is, it's clear that you want to tap into the opportunity, and opportunities are just amazing. And this opportunity is there for your career as well as your relationship. You are getting one chance. It's just life is showering you with lot of, luck. I don't know whether it's a good thing or not, because sometimes you want to focus only on your career, and then boom, the relationship starts, and then you are like, oh my god, I was doing so good here, I don't want to focus anywhere else, and what do I do with it? Sometimes you just want to focus on your relationship, and then one opportunity comes up and you just cannot let it go because it's so lucrative, and you're like, this is what I was waiting for such a long time, I don't want to give up, and then I have my family also, what do I do? That situation is gonna happen. If you guys are in a relationship, single, doesn't matter, for single you're gonna get a opportunity to meet somebody, for partner, marriage, anybody, you are going to get something to get you bonded in the relationship, and then you are like, oh, we just started our family, or we are thinking to start a family, or I'm thinking to get married, and I just got this opportunity, and this is in a different city, or this is something which is going to take my 15 hours in a day. How do I manage? How do I manage time, and how much time do I give it to my partner or my family? So that's gonna happen. That's definitely gonna happen, and that something might bother you, and that is something which can, uh, so basically create that dissatisfaction, and it can reflect a sense of annoyingness, and it also can tell you that you kind of start to lose faith. Oh my god, it's just, this is the time I'm getting this, I don't want to lose, because most of the time we don't want to give up on our careers, right? If we see this relationship is lucrative, yet we kind of focus on our careers because come on man, who's gonna pay our bills, right? Bills are the primary priority thing, so we think from a practical aspect, and I can see that you are also going towards your career, because I see that you're you are more of a career oriented person. Relationship of course matters to you, but you want to have your career set and then the relationship. So managing between those two, juggling between those two is gonna be tough for you, super tough for you, and there could be one situation where you will be in a dead situation, like oh my god, I've just given up, I don't know what to do, I don't know who to give time, I can't compromise here, and I can't be not investing enough time at work because that's gonna pay my bills, and that's something was my dream, that's something which is my identity, right? Because you are a bold person, for you identity matters the most. See, it's clear, and I am no one to tell you like who to prioritize, your family or your career, it's up to you. um, but I see that such situation is gonna come, and also I can tell you, if you want any guidance, that you have a beautiful uh, partner, family. So basically what it indicates is, even if it is a new relationship, it is your soul relationship, it is the family, the relationship what you were seeking. So if you think, oh, I kind of have dated, but I'm not sure whether this is it. I don't want to give up on everything because of this. What if this is not the right one? So that I am gonna assure you that this is going to be the relationship what you are looking for. So it will give you some sense of um, what do I say, like some sense of confirmation, and also will let you decide what to do. Because sometimes when we know that the relationship we are not sure, we gonna just go around for a year and we gonna break up or something, then why do I compromise with my career, right? So now I'm telling you and giving you that this is your soul mate connection, it is your that family connection which you were looking for a very long time. So now it's up to you, like what do you want to do, where do you want to prioritize, and how do you want to focus, and how do you want to divide your time, it's up to you. Because see, this relationship is going to bring you name, fame, and money. So this is the relationship which is your lucky charm, I can say. So yeah, I mean, I can just tell you what is it, but later you have to decide what you want to prioritize, because I see you are a very, very strong character, and you don't get influenced by people. You don't take suggestions, but you listen to people. You do listen and you do what you want to do. So if you are, yeah, that's why I'm not gonna give you any guidance or suggestion, but I'm gonna tell you what is coming for your career, what is coming for your relationship, and what is your personality. And I can assure you that whatever relationship is coming is the relationship you were looking for. So do not have second thoughts, and do not doubt it. It's definitely the relationship. So now it's up to you, how do you want to juggle and manage your career versus your relationship, right? Yes, you've been in a good Kings of Wand energy. Your career approach is super good, quite mature. You are very organized and you are very focused. So that's there. You need to take care of your health, definitely. Your health part is somewhere compromised, like you are just doing everything to earn money, which is good. I mean, building your career, super good, I'm not saying it's negative, but you're compromising on your health. you need to focus on your health. You need to focus on your sleep, food, mainly, like good sleep and good food. So that's something which if you take care of it, there is nothing major coming out of your health. But yeah, if you want to just be little more careful, take care of your food routine, good food, healthy food, and your sleep routine, that's it. I can also see a travel, overseas travel. Again, this overseas travel could be a holiday, or mainly holiday, as in this could be related to relation, because you probably will be traveling to meet your partner, meet your family, meet somebody. So it's mostly coming from a leisure or family or relationship wise. So there is also, you're going somewhere to travel, that part is visible and clear. So, whoa, Virgo, beautiful. I have not done a Virgo reading for a long time, like at least 2 months, there was a gap. And I remember what I did reading in the month of, it was October, or September, I think. The energies were similar. At least for the relationship, the energy was similar. I you know, you were prioritizing more on your career, and you were not basically paying much attention towards your relationship, was visible even there. And here also it is quite evident and visible. And even I think back then I had stressed out, you can look back, I have stressed out that you must pay a little more attention towards your relationship, because your relationship is not just a casual one. It's not just coming out of nothing. It has some depth, and it is a real connection. Because sometimes that's where we are confused, or that's where we have conflict, because we are in a relationship but we are not sure whether this is real or not. The person doesn't want to give me commitment. I'm not sure whether this is going to go for a long time. I don't know, that kind. But even I had assured you then, now also, that the relationship is for real. So the relationship is for real, the career is also for real, the opportunities are also for real, and you are just going to get opportunities from every aspect of life. you know you be buckle up, you be prepared, and tap into each of it. Because I know you want to have it all. You want to eat the cake and have it too. You want every piece of that cake. You don't want to miss out on anything. You are kind of an achiever sort of mentality. uh, yeah, it's good, it's positive, it's quite bold. And yes, I also see that you are kind of uh, putting a pause and thinking about it, what to do, what not to. So basically you are kind of in a analyzing, you are just sitting and watching from a bird eye view. Things are right in front of you and you are watching it from a bird eye view, that okay, I have this, I have this, I have this. I have the potential to do this. I have the potential to do this. I know I deserve it. I'm capable enough. Now, how do I do? How do I divide my time? How do I now give myself 100% into everything? So that's what you are doing right now. Okay, good, very good energy. I mean, it's so different from all the readings which I have done for December or in the past also. It's very different. And I really wish you luck, all the Virgos out there. Super good reading. And I hope you liked my reading. If you did, please share a like and comment. And if you want to get a personalized reading, get in touch with me. Otherwise, thank you for watching and Happy New Year in advance.